Now, of course, many people have many thoughts and assumptions about Muhammad, but the Quran, we just take the Quran very seriously as the final and unedited word of God. Just like the Bible and the Torah, the Psalms, we also consider that used to be the word of God, but because man edited it, it lost its divinity. So in the Quran, we have one statement in chapter 21, verse 107, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's ultimate role, his role as a source of mercy for all of mankind, for the people of his time, the present, those who were present at that time, and those all the way up until the day of judgment, until the final day.
إن في